Welcome to Leminar Air Conditioning Industries, the region's leading HVAC and duct manufacturing experts. I am Rohan Valrani, and I will be taking you on a journey through Leminar to meet the experts and experience what they do behind the scenes. With a 100 million dirham, 325,000 square feet facility in DIC, Leminar Air Conditioning Industries has the largest ductwork manufacturing industry in the Middle East. Let's go take a look. I would like to introduce you to Karthik Raval, General Manager of Leminar Industries.
Our commitment to excellence is a combination of our qualified and professional employees, skilled workforce, and a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility which delivers an unparalleled customer experience. We are the only manufacturer who offer the entire range of high-quality HVAC ducts, fire-rated ducts, acoustic products, and a wide range of duct accessories, all from one location of ours. Experience this journey behind the scenes with us.
Thank you, Karthik, for such informative notes. Since you have now had a glimpse of the facility, I would like to introduce you to the Manager of Operations Excellence, Kaushik Ganguly.
Leminar has revolutionized the ducting industry by introducing GI ductwork, which is produced on a fully automated duct line with CGF1 integral flange system. Integral flange line has been designed to make the production of ducting with an integral flange which are produced from the same sheet and form an integral part of the duct itself. Few key features of Leminar CGF1 integral duct systems are low leakage rating resulting in increased energy efficiency and sustainability. Complies Class ABC pressure classes as per DW144 and DWTM1 and tested with BISRIA. Improved lead time of manufacturing with fully automated duct coil line.
Fascinating. Isn't that great to know how Leminar continues to deliver excellent quality products maintaining international standards? I am thrilled to see such a commitment. Let's go take a look at all the hard work that's been going on behind the scenes to make this work a reality. I would like to introduce you to Kapil Mehta, Global Sales Manager.
We are proud of being the largest manufacturer of high-quality products ranging from HVAC duct systems, fire-rated ducts, both coated, non-coated, having fire resistance of up to 4 hours with one-of-a-kind CGF1 type flanging systems, which ensures zero air leakage in HVAC duct systems. Our product range includes spiral duct, sound attenuators, acoustic lowers, volume control dampers, VAV boxes, fire dampers, and all other accessories with emphasis on energy saving and sustainability.
Let's move forward to know what makes Leminar's ducts so special. Meet Uttam, Business Development Manager.
Leminar Air Conditioning Industries is the sole manufacturing licensee of Finland Fire Duct Systems UK for the geographical market covering UAE, Oman, and Bahrain. All Leminar personnel are trained by FFC UK and Finland Fire Contracts UK experts by its application and constructional requirements. The Finland Fire Duct System complies with the requirements of Method 3 of BS 5588 Part 9, 1989 and Method 3 of BS 9999 2008 and has been fully tested in accordance with BS 476 Part 24, 1987 for 4 hours stability and integrity for Type A ducts and 3 hours stability and integrity and 2 hours insulation for Type B ducts. In Leminar, we have 2 systems for fire-rated ducts, coated and non-coated. Both systems are tested according to BS 476 Part 24 and EN 1366 for fire resistance up to 4 hours for Type A and Type B for stability, integrity and insulation performance criteria. Our fire-rated duct systems are special as the whole system, including ducts, gaskets, sealants and hangers supports and other inline equipments such as sound attenuators, balancing dampers, access doors, etc. are tested in one certificate with approved lab under the same fire resistance characteristics.
But wait, there's more. Leminar also remains one of the top acoustic solutions providers. Don't believe me? Let's check it out. Meet Ashwak, the Technical Sales Manager for Galloway Acoustics.
Hi, Leminar Air Conditioning Industries is a sole manufacturing licensee of Galloway Acoustics since 2003. All acoustic products, including sound attenuators, acoustic enclosures, acoustic louvers, have been tested to the latest industry standards. With decades of experience in workmanship and expertise of quality, Leminar has successfully supplied to over 800 plus projects. Being one of the largest manufacturers to build attenuators to any aerodynamic splitter configurations, large size attenuators are manufactured and assembled with the highest degree of accuracy and quality. Whether it may be attenuator's body, casing, acoustic louvers, powder coated blades or acoustic infill, we ensure that the highest degree of accuracy is maintained overall. In addition to acoustics, Leminar fire-rated attenuators are certified by EXOA Warrington, which are suitable up to 4 hours fire rating for life safety ventilation systems, whether it may be attenuator's body construction or acoustics louvers, powder-coated blades. We ensure that the highest degree of accuracy is maintained to achieve the product's performance.
Wow! Not only have we met the experts and had a quick glimpse behind the scenes, we have also understood Leminar's holistic approach to manufacturing products. Thank you for taking this wonderful journey with me. I hope this has been a thrilling experience for you. If you'd like to know more about the products and solutions, visit the Leminar facility or call the experts. Thank you very much.